Good morning, Sierra View.
My name is Christiana, and I'm here on behalf of a program called the Cal Water H2O Challenge. A couple of years ago, Miss Akimoto and her fifth graders won. But this year, we just wanted to stop by and say hello because they did this amazing project called Protecting Paradise. Miss Akimoto, would you mind sending a student or two to come up and tell us a little bit about the project?
I'm Cicely.
Hi, Cicely. What about you, Amanda?
I'm Thomas. We wanted to do something to help the campfire because we had some kids in our class who got affected by it.
I had the idea of letting them use my house in Paradise because there's a creek there, and then we tested the water from there. I just wanted to bring it out there. We were not expecting to win at all. We just wanted to help out with the community and wanted to make a difference.
Ms. Akimoto and students, I commend you for setting such an important example. Would you guys mind coming up? I'd like to take a picture with you guys, the entire class.
Miss Akimoto and her fourth grade class are the grand prize winners of the Cal Water H2O Challenge. And they're heading to Yosemite.
This class, we just wanted to protect the water sources up there, the streams, the rivers, the creeks, and their project was about preventing the erosion from going into the creeks.
I knew someone who was affected by the campfire, and I just didn't know what to do that we could help. So when we did this project, it felt like we were actually doing something to help our community recover, because a lot of times people say oh, I can't do that, I'm too young. But we were kids and we worked hard and we did something, we made a difference.
Kids wanted to feel like they had a hand in helping others. And this project ended up being a conduit for us to sort of cathartic and grieve and move on and feel like we had some sort of power in a situation where we really were feeling powerless. Really honored and I'm really humbled, and I'm so proud of my kids and all the hard work they did. They took a really difficult situation and poured a lot of hard work into it to try and make something good come out of something that was really terrible.
All right, welcome to Yosemite and welcome to Nature Bridge. How many of you have never been here before? Welcome. All right, I'm excited for all of you.
While we were here at Yosemite, we have gone on many hikes up the mountains, and we learned about different types of rocks.
Hey guys, we saw a real bear cub. Yeah.
When I was hiking, I found a cave, and we actually got to see a real bear cub inside the cave.
My favorite thing in this trip has been instead of a classroom, instead of sitting, we can just play around and have fun.
I felt like we were all doing stuff together and we actually accomplished something.
I am so proud of them and all the hard work they did. So much of what we teach has to come from a textbook or has to be about a test, and for my students to get to choose a topic that they are passionate about and do research and come up with a project that they want to do benefits them in so many ways. They gain more from it than any textbook could ever teach them.
This is my favorite trip of my life.
Yeah!